Welcome back, students. Welcome in your science class, right? All right. Now, we are doing some new topic in science. We have just now started a topic that was yesterday. Now, what was that topic, children? Actually, what was the name of that topic? Can anybody recall what was the topic about? Yes, it was about leaves. And what did we discuss about leaves? We have discussed where do leaves grow, where can we find leaves, right? Why? And what are the different types of leaves, kinds of leaves, right? Like I have shown you our annual video about leaves, right? You remember that? Yes. So there were different types of leaves, different kinds of leaves that we discussed. We didn't go in detail, but I have just shown you a video so that you can have an idea of how the leaves are, how different types of leaves, how are the leaves different from each other, right? And what did I also showed you a picture. What was that picture actually about? It was about leaves, that is correct. But I have shown you the picture in which you can see the leaves were of different colors. Basically, the leaves are of which color? They are of green color, right? But in that picture, I have shown you the leaves can be of orange color, they could be of brown color, they could be of green color. But, and I have also discussed, I have told you why the leaves are orange, because when the time comes when the leaves are dead, and there is a time of the season in which the leaves start falling down, and that is the season of autumn. That is the autumn season, or the fall season in which the leaves fall down. So these brown or dark brown or orange leaves, they keeps falling down, they fall down in that season, right? That we have discussed. And I have also shown ask you about where can we find leaves. We can find leaves in your garden, you can find leaves in the parks, right? So wherever there are plants, wherever there are trees, wherever whether the plants are indoor plants or outdoor, so you will find leaves. Leaves are always there. And where do leaves grow actually? What is the part where the leaves grow is called? That is called a stem, right? Leaves grow on a stem, correct. Now, today I'm going to show you a picture and you will tell me what we are going to learn in the class, okay? All right. Look at this picture of mine. Can you all see the picture clearly? Yes, what are these things actually? You can see this is a picture of a leaf. And what are this written? These are, this is the, it's written about what? It's about the parts of leaves. These are the different parts of leaf, a tip, a blade, margin, midrib, lateral veins, and all stem. These are all different parts of a leaf. Now these parts they have given in very, very, very detail, but we need not to go in detail, right? So this is, you can remember, this is a tip of the leaf, this is the blade, and this is the margin, this is the midrib, lateral leaf veins, and petole leaves, and this is the stem, stiples. These are different parts of a leaf. Now, if I go in my on the board, on my whiteboard, if you can see on my whiteboard, I have drawn a big leaf. Now, this is the part, you can see the thick part in between is the part of a leaf that you call a midrib. What is it? It's a midrib. And these parts which are coming from here, these are the veins. Okay? And this, the edge part of the leaf is the blade. It's called the blade. Now, quickly take out your books and I'm going to show you on page number 29. Here you can easily see that they have shown the parts of leaf in the same way like I have drawn on the board. It tells you the midrib, veins and the leaf blade. This is the blade and this is the tip which you saw in the picture, right? So now this tells you about the different parts. A leaf is joined to the stem by a leaf stack. A leaf blade is the flat part of the leaf. Now this is the leaf blade. So this is the flat part of the leaf, and midrib and veins carry water and food. Now you can see midrib is here and veins are here. What do? They carry the water and food to the leaf and to the other parts of the plant, right? So these are the different parts of the leaf and their functions. What do they do? Now, in some leaves, the veins make a network or a web. Now, if you see this picture here, it clearly shows how the parts of a leaf, they have made these veins, they have made a web. You can see it's like a web, right? So in some leaves, it's not in all leaves, but in some leaf. And here also you can see a big plant in which they have shown the leaf stack and the stem and the leaf. So these are basic things that you need to remember. You need not to go in detail or to the parts that I have shown you, but you just need to remember the three main parts of the leaf. And what are those three main parts? Those are midrib, veins, and the other one is the leaf blade, right? These are the three main parts. Now, what you need to do, you have to do one task. Actually, there are two tasks of today's work. The first one is you need to do question number E on page 32. That is, what are the functions of midrib and veins in a leaf? That I have already told you. So you have to write down the functions of midrib and veins are they carry water and food. And then you are going to draw a leaf and label the parts. Now this is I'm giving you two tasks. So I'm giving you almost 10 minutes to complete this work. All right. And your time starts now. All right. Time is up. Time is up, children. Have you drawn your leaf? Wow. Show me your leaves first. Wow, that's so nice. You have labeled it also nicely. Yes, Saad. Very good. I'm so happy for you. Good job. And what answer have you written? Come on, Sarah. Can you read out your answer? Yes? Correct. The functions of midrib and veins are that they carry water and food to the plant, to the leaf, and to the plants, right? Very good. So I think so that this is not a difficult task and this was not a difficult topic that we have done. You just need to remember the three main parts of a leaf and that are midrib, veins, and a leaf blade. These are the three major parts of a leaf, and these parts are in all the leaves, right? In all the leaves, in different types of leaves which you have seen in the video, in different types of leaves you have seen in the picture that I've shown you yesterday also, and today also that you have seen in the book. So all these parts are there in all types of leaves, right? A leaf is incomplete without these parts, whether the leaf is of green color, whether it is of orange, whether it is of brown color. And why the color of leaf is green? Because of the substance present in it, that is the chlorophyll. Very good. Okay. So I hope, children, that means that you have understood this topic very, very clearly, and it is very much clear in your minds, right? Don't forget about these three parts, the major parts of leaf, right? Don't forget it. They are not difficult at all. They are very easy to remember. Midrib, veins, and leaf blade. Midrib, veins, and leaf blade. Midrib, veins, and leaf blade. These are the three main parts of the leaves, and the functions of midrib and veins are they carry water and food to the plant, and the leaf blade is the flat green part. The flat green part of the leaf is the leaf blade. I hope it's very, very much clear to you. Do your homework, and which is that I will also post this on portal, but right now I am telling you that you just have to draw a leaf showing midrib and the wings. You can take help from your book, this picture, and you can easily draw it and label the parts showing only midrib and the wings. All right? Okay, children. So see you next time tomorrow in your science lesson. Bye bye. Have a nice day.